Natural Guru here, back with another hair video. And today's video is going to be me trimming my hair and prepping it for my style that you're going to see in my next video. So my hair has been under a bonnet since Sunday, and today is Thursday. So I know I'm not the only one that has gained weight during quarantine, and I feel like I've gained all the weight I lost. If you have not seen my pre-quarantine videos about my weight loss journey, please go watch them. But all that weight that I lost in those videos, I gained back, and I feel like I gained a little bit more too. So that's what I'm going to be talking about, because it's just like, it's been like a month now since we've been in the house, since I have not been to work and stuff, and I've just been eating junk. And at first I was like, I get a break, the gym clothes and blah blah blah, and I'm just gonna eat everything I want to eat. And I very much did, but now that we in a month, I'm like, sis, you can't, what you doing? You feel me? Like, what are you doing? I'm an emotional eater, so when stuff happens to me, it's like food. Even when stuff don't happen to me, I like food. Food is just very comforting to me. So something just recently happened to me, and I started on Sunday, and the situation happened on Monday. I just wanted to eat, and I just literally had to like sit back and just calm myself down and just be like, this is not how you want to live your life, and this does not align with the goals in your life, and this is not what he would have wanted you to do with your life. You cannot be this unhealthy and overweight. It just does not work, It just does not work for me. Like I understand being big and beautiful and plus size and beautiful, but I just need, I can't do this. I'm uncomfortable. You too big when you're uncomfortable. My back hurt. My breasts are too big. I already have sinus issues, so breathing and stuff is already an issue for me. So being overweight just heightens that issue. Nobody wants to live uncomfortably, and life is too short to be living like that. Here are some of the things that I'm going to incorporate in my lifestyle in order to lose weight. I am going to, first off, stop eating all the junk food. I done brought Cheez-Its, we didn't eat Oreos, we didn't eat crackers, we didn't got cake mix, we didn't eat muffins. We didn't went in chicken tenders, fries, tacos, nachos. It just went down, okay? You just eating because you bored at this point. I'm also going to start intermittent fasting again, which I've already implemented. So I decided that I was going to cut off my eating window at 8:30 and then eat anywhere. I wake up in the morning anywhere from 12 and 1. Start eating at 12 and 1. So another thing I'm going to implement is working out every day. Not just 3 times out the week when there's 7 days in the week, but literally every day. So me and my boyfriend are going to work out every day and make sure we're hitting all the core areas to burn fat and, build muscle. Once I implement more greens and more meats, I should see a decrease, in my weight. Okay, y'all. Although I did not blow dry when it was wet, I felt like this was more of a struggle for some reason. I don't know. But make sure y'all are liking this video. Might as well just stop right here. Like and comment and subscribe. okay? But this is how my hair is looking blew out at the moment. I wish I had one of them other pictures I could compare my hair to right now. I don't know if it's grown or not. And I have been taking biotin for the past month now. So I really didn't feel the need to cut off too much of my hair. I only cut off the rough parts or the parts that look really bad. So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick chit chat and trim tutorial. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video, Guru Gang.